Alright, so this is a process of calculating the BMI in Python based on the weight that is in pounds and the height that is in inches. So, and now you want your BMI based on kilograms and height in meters. So, I'll start a new notebook on Jupyter, so Python kernel. And the question is, so I have this is the question. So you are supposed to the heights, these ones in inches, and you have the weight in pounds, and they are saying multiply player's weight by 0.45 to convert from pounds to kilograms. Store the resulting Numpy array as weight in kilograms, and use height and weight in kilograms to calculate the BMI of each player, and save the results in a Numpy array as BMI. BMI can be obtained as follows. Note, 1 meter equals 40 inches. BMI equals weight in kilograms over height in meters squared. Report the weight in kilograms for players with greater than 25. So what do we start with? So we start by first of all importing our libraries. So we import our Numpy library, and we import our Panda library. Okay, so the next thing now, we need to assign our heights. So height is equals to square bracket, and is all this. I'll just copy this. Now I can display that weight height. I run that, so it gives me that. So I put that in an array. So how do I assign that? So I want the height as an array equals to np.array, and then I want to put height in an array. So and then now I can display the height, and I run that. So that now I have assigned my values into an array. So the next thing I want to do is the weight. So weight is equals to all this way. Let's copy that, equals that. And now I want to display that weight. I'll run that, and it's assigned there. So now I can assign this into an array, into a weight array. np.array, and then I want weight in there. So now let me display my array. Print my array, run, and my array is assigned. So I need to convert the height in inches from inches to meters. So and we notice like to convert is 1 meter equals 40 inches. So that these are all inches right here. So I need to change them to meters. So what do I do? So I want the height in meters will be, I want the array that we assigned here, height np, divided by 40. And let's see what the result is, right? Print this, run. So now that is divided into meters. So this is 1.8 to 1.9 like that. So I want to do the same with the weight, to change the weight from pounds to kilograms, and we know to do that we multiply by 0.54. So I'll bring the weight, I want the weight in kgs to be equals to, so now this one will be the weight, whatever I assigned here, weight array, that is, I'm going by the array, not the weight itself here. So I'm going by the array weight, and this one we're being told to multiply with 0.454. And then if I display that, now we have worked our weight into kilograms. So kilograms and the height in meters. So now the next part of the question says BMI is equals weight in kilograms divided by height in meters to the power of 2. So I'll come here and say BMI equals to, now we already have the array for weight, which is weight in kg, divided by height in meters to the power of 2. So, and then I can check which one meets the condition. So BMI, so display that. So I'll that is the array now for BMI. So now I need to check. Now we have 25, 25, 32, 27, like that. So the next part of the question says report the weight in kgs of players with BMI greater than 25. So all the ones with greater than 25, so we need to come and assign it as an array. So it's BMI close to, so the array BMI, and now we want BMI greater than 25. So this means like I want BMI to be equals to the array BMI, whatever is greater than 25. And then I come and display there. And some think square brackets. So this one is sometimes you have to be very specific. Yeah, so it's square bracket. So BMI equals BMI, the array BMI, whatever BMI is greater than 25, and our array is that. So all these are the ones that are over 25, and you can check that from this. So the ones that didn't make it is the 24, the 22, but everything else is over 25, and that is the answer to that. So